Hi all. Right, this is how you reset the engineer code if you don't know it or you're doing a takeover, and this will allow you to get into the engineer menu and then you can change the master code, etc. So faceplate off, find a jumper that you can bridge pin 3 and 4 on the bottom row, and we want to power it up. And what you want to do is wait for the time and date to appear, and we're going to hold down the yes button for approximately 1 minute. There you are, straight into the engineer menu, and you can do whatever you like to do now. Change the codes, etc. Now this is on version 9, but it should follow up to version 11, the latest one. So yeah, hopefully that will help other people out. Cheers.